What's good, guys? Isaiah here. It is Wednesday. It's what's in the shop. You know what's going to go on. Let's check out what we got. First off, beautiful 21 Ford GT Carbon Edition. Here for just a basic cleanup. We got to use it at the auto show this weekend. We're very thankful for the customer allowing us to do so, and she'll be on her way here pretty soon. All right, beautiful M3 here. 2023 came to us in a frosted finish, which means that paint from BMW was already satin, so we did a full satin wrap on this. It's up next for coating, and then it'll be going home. We got Caleb here getting this Chevy Traverse prepped. We're gonna be doing a vinyl wrap to it. It's gonna look great, going for a military green, I'm pretty sure, so can't wait to see it done. Got this awesome Range Rover here. Getting a little bit of everything. Paint protection film, we'll be doing like the track package, which will take care of the full front, the rockers. We'll be doing B-pillars, rear bumper, all kind of little bits and pieces. We'll also be ceramic coating the wheels for him as well and tinting the front windows. It's here for work, but it's going to be started next week. She's up next though. I don't know about you, but this color to me is extremely awesome. It's the first year that they're doing this, 23 Chevy Tahoe, and I don't know what the color name is, but if you look, it has like a jadis gray kind of look. It was here for a fusion coating, ceramic, so she is done. She'll be ready for pickup here in the next couple of hours and ready to go home. And then same thing with this XT4 here for a coating as well. And the interior is also getting coated. As you can see, Caleb taking care of that at the moment. Things will be getting ready here to go home in the next couple of days. We have one last thing on the inside. Let's go take a look before we head outside. I love this car. Look at that color of that paint. It's a dark forest green, bunch of metallic flake in it. It is an i4 M50 from BMW. It's their electric vehicle. It's here for a track package as well as coating, and by the time we're done, that metallic flake is just gonna look amazing. I can't wait. Guys, it's a little wet out here and sugar melts, so I need to be quick, but we got two things going on here. I hate wet feet. Got this red Durango here for an annual checkup. Got a ceramic coating previously, and we just need to basically refresh things for them. But here is the highlight. We have this Rolls-Royce Dawn. Beautiful vehicle, and it's known for its comfort, power, just being an awesome vehicle. And what we're going to be doing to this is going to be a full paint protection film wrap, tint. We're also going to be doing a ceramic coating and tinting the marker lights as well. Can't wait to see this one to be done because, you know, Rolls-Royce already looks great, but when you add certain things, it's going to take it up to that next level. Kevin, what do you got going on up in Gibsonia?
Thanks, Isaiah. Luke's not here this week, so I'm going to be showing you guys what's in the shop in Gibsonia. For this week, we have Jeff Lutz 57 Bel Air, who's actually in our auto show booth, and we're just kind of here storing it, showing off a little bit. We have a sign. We did a full 8mm wrap on it and Expel Fusion Plus ceramic coating. This is Luke, the GM's Stealth Model 3. We fully wrapped it with our Stealth PPF to convert it from a glossy to a matte finish. Here we have a 2022 Ram 2500. This is getting a track package, wear and tear kit, and also a Fusion Plus ceramic coating this week. In the tint bay here, we have a 2023 Model 3, getting our XR 20% on the side windows and back windshield, and then also XR Plus 70 on the front windshield. As you guys just saw, we have a 2006 Celine Mustang that is getting a full bulk install for a track package. That's going to protect the full front clip, the rocker panels, and also behind the rear wheels. Here on the rack, we have a 2023 BMW M3 Competition that Steve is actually touching up right now, and it's getting a full paint protection film wrap. And you guys have seen a previous episode. We still have Jeff Lutz Jr.'s Civic hatch here. It's not your normal Civic hatch. It makes about, I think, 2,500 horsepower. Still have our 2023 brand new Civic Type R. And then also on the other side of the shop, we have a 911 CT5B Blackwing and also a couple Mercedes. That's all we got on the shop here in Gibsonia. I'll be checking in with you guys next week in Miami because I'm going to be down there, maybe long term, maybe temporary. We'll see.